Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's going to be the red R located on the bottom right of this video. Today we're going to go over the service or error code 992 on a Ri1000X. Now this procedure can also be used for the 1000 and the 2000, I believe also the 4000. So let's go ahead and we're going to get started. But before that, if you guys are under warranty, please make sure you call Ricoh Tech Support, start a case with them, make sure this is documented before we start tinkering with the units. We don't want to avoid any kind of warranties. This video is for reference only. Okay, with my unit on, I'm going to go to my control panel and go to my settings menu. Let me get you guys to get focused there. Okay, here we go. So settings, we're going to go tap once above ink pad, twice above options, once above information. On the service menu, we're going to go to printer system and we're going to find the one that says charge SC, change SC to warning. Okay, on my 1000X here, we can go ahead and highlight it and press select, and you'll see that this is going to be grayed out. So grayed out means that warning code, the 992, is going to prevent you from printing. If you switch that to where it turns greenish, we can go ahead and set that, and then we're going to go back into the same menu to make sure that stays selected. That's going to change that warning 992 to a warning that will let you print, and you can do maintenance, and that's going to help you print, do maintenance while you and your technician figure out what's going on with the unit. Please guys, don't forget, call Ricoh Tech Support if your unit is under warranty, and if it's not, get some guidance from them, because it might be a battery supply unit, a bad cartridge, something got air in the lines, maybe something got disconnected. We want to make sure we find out what is causing that before things escalate. I thank you guys for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Once again, that's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Leave some comments in the section below. Let us know what you guys think about these videos, and we'll get some more posted for you guys. Thank you and have a good day.